ating g of x, that is 4x plus 1. So that is h of 4x plus 1. Hi guys! So, request again ng ating former student, composition of functions. So, in symbols, it is denoted by f composed of g of x, that it is equal to f of g of x. So, again, it is denoted by f composed of g of x is equal to f of g of x. So, paano po ba natin ito ginagamit? For example, we do have here three given functions. F of x is equal to x squared minus 2. And another is g of x is equal to 4x plus 1. The last one is h of x is equal to x minus 3 squared. And we are asked to find f composed of g of x. Gamitin po natin yung ating idea. So, f of g of x, f composed of g of x can be written as f of g of x. Wherein, so paano po natin siya sinosolve? We always start with the of what is inside the parenthesis o nasa ng parenthesis. So, can be written as f. Ano po ba yung value ng ating g of x? So, gawin natin yung g of x is equal to 4x plus 1. So, papalan po natin ito. 4x plus 1. So, ito na po yung ating gagamitin para po makuha naman yung ating si f of x. So, tanda natin ito. Suppose f of x. So, ito na po yung ating gagamitin. So, that would be f of 4x plus 1 is equal to, ito po yun, x minus 2, x squared minus 2. But, papatan po natin lahat ng values dito ng x ng itong value, 4x plus 1. So, that is x squared, ito po yun, minus 2. Tapos, papatan po lahat natin ng x ng 4x plus 1. So, that is equal to, si x papatan po ni 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1 squared minus 2. So, ito pong si 4x plus 1 squared, pwede po natin gamitin yung ating FOIL method natin. 4x plus 1 times 4x plus 1. 4x times 4x, that is 16x squared. 4x times 1, that is 4x. 1 times 4x, that is 4x. 1 times 1, that is 1. Then, combine like terms, that is 16x squared. 4x plus 4x, that is 8x plus 1. So, ito po yung ating gagamitin dito. Ito na po yung magiging value niya. So, that is equal to 16x squared plus 8x plus 1 plus yung ating minus 2. Then, combine like terms, that is 16x squared plus 8x 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. So, ito na po yung magiging value ng ating f of g of x. Ito na tayo kay h composed of g of x. And that is, can be written as h of g of x. Okay. According to our rule. So, that is equal to, so katulad nga ng sabi natin kanina, magsisimula tayo sa nasa loob ng ating parenthesis. So, ano pong ating g of x? That is 4x plus 1. So, that is h of 4x plus 1. So, ito po yung ating gagamitin. That is h of 4x plus 1 is equal to, so, hanapin po natin yung ating h of x. Ang h of x natin po is x, quantity of x minus 3 square. So, in that case, papadala mo po lahat natin yung x dun sa ating h of x ng 4x plus 1. So, sa natin nalaman din po muna, para hindi tayo dito. So, that is x minus 3 square is equal to, papadala po lahat ng x ng 4x plus 1. So, that is 4x plus 1 minus 3 squared. So, yung x po, pinagdako lamang ng 4x plus 1. So, negative 3, ako lamang po kinopya at saka yung square. So, that is equal to, kung mapapansin natin, we can combine like terms. That is 4x 1 minus 3, that is minus 2 square. So, pinag-combine ko lamang po si plus 1 at si negative 3 or si minus 3. Then, tsaka ko po siya i-square using our FOIL method. So, in that case, pwede po natin siya gamitin as 4x minus 2 times 4x minus 2. 4x times 4x, that is 16x square 4x times negative 2, that is negative 8x. Negative 2 times 4x, that is negative 8x. 2, negative 2 times negative 2, that is positive 4. Combine like terms, 16x squared minus 16x. Then combine lang natin yung dalawang negative 8x plus 4. So ito na po yung magiging result ng ating function. So that is equal to 16x squared minus 16x plus 4. And that would be the value of our function. I hope that helps.